Hey everyone, welcome to the video, and in this video we are going to see the open source programs and the communities you can join as an open source developer and the contributor. And I recently came through a blog which is written by Pinal, and I get to speak with all the opportunities at one place and a lot of things which are already available in one blog. So I want to share this blog with you all. Link will be given in the description section. And in this blog there are a lot of opportunities, a lot of programs, and there are different communities available you can join. And while community building or while joining community, just keep one thing in your mind, like which type of content or which type of community you want to join. If you're a JavaScript developer, so try to find the communities and try to join a community which is focused mainly on the JavaScript development and all the stuff. So don't try to join every community. You will definitely get stuck on the stuff. So in this blog there are a lot of things, there are a lot of good things that are available, and these are the some development there, open source softwares, eligibility criteria, application dates and summary and all the stuff, open source program. So these are the very first program, GitHub Campus Expert. So this program very new to a lot of viewers my channel, because people are starting out with their first and second year. So the GitHub Campus Expert program is for the not exactly built while developing this program. The actual motto of this program is to spreading awareness of open source programs and open source culture among the students and all the folks out there, and to build actual leaders who can lead that community and grow that community. So what are the eligibility criteria? You have to 18 plus student, you have to validate your student status through the GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is the most important process or the most important step you have to follow. GitHub Campus Developer Pack, validate your student ID or student pro. You have to be 18 years plus. For second year student, if you are a final year student, you can't apply. So there are the 1 year left as a student before graduating. That's how. And there are it's open twice in a year, in February 1st and then August. So you keep in mind if you are applying in February. So if you are not selected, then again apply in August as well. So this is the application process. So it's application form, developer pack, video, resume, and after acceptance and starting the training, there are different modules you have to complete. Then if you pass those modules, then you can say you are a GitHub Campus Explorer, you will get all the certifications packs. And second one is the Microsoft Student Ambassador program, which is run by Microsoft, and the same motto, you have to community leader or community builder. With this program, you will lot of benefits you will get after selected as a Microsoft Student Ambassador. You will get domain, lifetime domain with your name, and there are your age will be a 16. You are a part of any university, active university student, and the individual person, not a corporate entity. And applications are open completely year, but there are quarterly your profile or your submission will be checked, and you will get all the feedbacks from there, you are selected or not. But the applications are open for complete year of quarterly, and you have to read some sample video as well, why you are a good fit for this video, or why you are a good fit for that particular position, Microsoft Student Ambassador. So you have to create a short video, and lot of videos you will automatically get while putting a string or putting a statement on YouTube, like Microsoft Student Ambassador introductory video. You will get a basic video or any sample how you can make this video. MLS fellowship, which is I highly recommend to join, because it's 12-week internship, and you will actually learn development and community work, open source culture in this program. The selection criteria may be some not much more difficult, but once you start with the contributing to open source, you can take participation in program, so there are higher chances you can select. There are some tough criteria while selecting this requirements, like you are 18 plus, 30 hours you are to week, 5 days a week, 5 hours a week, then in English, and yeah, it's a 12-week long internship, as long as 3 months internship, you have to give at least 5 hours a day. Actually, yeah, it's automatically give 30 hours a week. So this is the application process for your written application, then video interview, then digital technical interview. That's how. Then Linux Foundation mentorship program. This is actually new for me. I already know the Linux Foundation internship, but never explore what exactly it is. And stipend thing as well. You will get stipend in this, but not in both above. There are some swags and good learning you will get, and this is the program where you can see the stipend. And you have a development as well as the stuff, good communication and soft skills you have for this program, and very required, high priority requirement is your communication, because in this internship or opportunity you have to work with the foreign students as well, although your speakers are coming from the any like other countries. So you have to know, like you have to speak English very fluent, and you know how to communicate with other people. So like that's how it works, and this is how it works. The outreach internships. This is also good. Two cohorts open in EF. One for Indian student, another one read some all the details over here. And yeah, this is the important which I have to share. Google season of most of the people know Google like season of code, which you know Gsort which they, and this is a Gsort which is the season of where you are going to improve the documentation. You know how to code very well before taking a part. This is not limited to writing documentation and contributing. You have to know how that particular code actually works. So this is very important. So all the links are already given. So there's a summer of code. This internship which I recently selected as an open source contributor. So I excited to work with them for next 3 months, and this is a 3 months open source program conducted every summer. I recently selected in this. Not difficult as I have to say. You have to build some projects, and like you have to be active in open source, and there are a form you have to build application, and like you will get. So after filling a form, I get the selected mail from them. So not exactly a very tough. Yeah, this is a good one you can take part of. Then summer of code as well, which is organized hecto skill, a very well-known good community, and this is a summary. And now right now is the community time. So first, I highly recommend to join it, which is with a GitHub star, open source, or contributor, program, organizer. A lot of great things done by ID. And when I started with open source contribution, I started with the YouTube channel already. I use how to contribute to open source, all the GitHub commands and all those stuff. Then these are the some new communities which I recently found. We make deals. I already part with this Indian make deals, but not open source community of developers. So try to explore and just figure out is for me or not. Already said, try to join the communities which you want to part. Don't try to join each and every community. Storyblock as well, Dev Daily.dev, Hashnode, OSS Community. Yeah, these are the good list you can join. It's for a developer coming from developer background in open source, so I highly recommend to the community and the we make deals, and try to explore these communities rest of, because I really don't know the, like I'm not a part of this community programs or culture. So you have to figure out your own. You have to take part or not. So that's rough. That's the thing which I have to say. Hope you find this helpful, and hope you take a part in the program. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.